Hi, welcome to To-Do Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how we can replace the screen of this Lenovo L430 laptop. So perhaps you got another screen. We will replace the whole thing, remove this piece and put another one. Let's get started with this. Start opening it. This is the battery. This is the top. Put it this way and let's start from here. I'm getting a Phillips screwdriver. Let's open this and this. And here, these two are for keyboard, this and this. We have a sign here for keyboard, so you never miss it, and also they're very long. Now turn it around. And using a flat screwdriver, let's remove the keyboard. Like that. And here is the connector for the keyboard. Simply lift it from this and it will be removed. On this side we have these three screws. 1, 2, 3. Let's open them. So here are the three screws. Now we can remove this panel. Slowly try to lift it up. After that, close this, come this way, remove the hard drive. From this, you can just lift it up, that's the hard drive. And then pull from here. And inside the hard drive underneath we have two screws here. Remove them. These are tiny screws. Now open this and now pull it up. This is going okay. Only on this side. I forgot to remove Now let's remove the covering for the CD drive. Remove this screw here, that is for the CD. And push the CD drive out. When the CD, this is just a dummy. Here we have 2 screws. Remove those. Sergeant چی میگنی؟ Two screws. And now from both sides, when you pull it, now these wires will create problem in here. Make sure to remove it, and then when we push it on this way, so now this is a mousepad cable here, this is a mousepad cable, and here that's a mousepad cable. Lift this up, this black piece, lift it up like that, and the cable is out in here. So this cable is now out. This battery, you just lift it and leave it, and this panel is now I forgot to remove the battery, and remove these 3 screws, and remove the 3 screws under the battery. نبشنوه
بله
And now let's pull this out. And from here we can pull this out as well, this cable, and the panel is out now. From here I can insert this from here, just pull these wires out. And then let's pull it out of from here. And this is now out. Other one, the second one. So this goes in here, the first one. From this side it goes to the left side of this Wi-Fi module, so you don't have to worry about it. And here now this panel is totally out. The screen has 1 screw, mine is broken, the other screw is here. Let's open it. You have 1 screw here and 1 in here, 1 screw here and 1 in here. This is broken, but I have to still open it. because this was holding this piece with that. Now the screen is ready to be removed, and here is the main connector in here. So this is the connector that is connecting the monitor, and you can easily remove it. And here is the other connector to remove this cable. Okay, to remove this cable of monitor, you see this black piece, you can put a screwdriver, a simple one, and lift it up, and this will be removed. And now this monitor is totally out. Put it like that. Put this connector first. Make sure that this piece is up like that, not down. Make sure it's up, and then put this here and insert it straight. Now it's aligned, and then put this black piece. That is done. Insert this side first, and the same way this side, and then let's insert this one into this connector. Make sure slowly put it down. And then we have two screws, one in here and one in here, which is holding the hinges. So and one screw here, so tighten those. Now let's put this panel. To put it, let's insert these cables, insert them from here, make sure all of them, none should be out, otherwise and then pass this through this hole, these two, and make sure to pass them from this hole down. Once you see it on this side, you're good. Now let's put the wires here back under these holders, clips that are holding them. And let's connect the Wi-Fi antenna. Now let's get this wire for the mousepad out so we can see it from this side like that, and then put the battery back into place. It has some adhesive and will hold. To insert this mousepad cable, we have this black piece which we push it the other way, insert this blue section into the connector, which you can insert it with your hand or screwdriver, and then pull this black piece back and you're done. That piece is done. While I was working, this antenna got out. Make sure both of these are out. So let's put them back. Make sure all the wires are clean here. Nothing is out, everything is flat and clean, as you can see here as well. All of these. Then we can put the keyboard. We can first insert the 3 screws here. This and this are for the keyboard from the bottom, but 1, 2, 3 are from the top that is holding this panel. These 3 are for this. Keyboard is at the end, so for this portion we are done. Let's close it and go to the other side. This was the wire that got out, so we will leave it at the end, and here maybe using some tape. So first let's put 2 screws here, these tiny screws. And then 3 screws here. And let's insert this. 1 screw for this in here. Two screws in here. Now insert the hard drive. That's okay. And now let's put the keyboard here. The keyboard has this connector. You can hold it this way and make sure it is aligned on this connection here that we have, this piece in here. And when you press it, it snaps. Make sure the wires are flat and clean. Let's insert the keyboard on the other side first, and then once it is set, close this. Come on this side. We have two long screws and we have two spots, one in here and one in here with a keyboard sign beside it. And tighten it. Now it is installed. Let me put the battery. I believe the battery is charged. Let's turn it on. The issue is resolved now. Thank you for watching. This was how to replace the screen of Lenovo L430. If you learned something and found this useful, please thumb up, as this will help my video in the search algorithm of YouTube. If you have comment or question, please post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. To get updates of my upcoming videos, please make sure to subscribe.